Hello everyone, so this is a laptop here. As you notice, this is a Chromebook system that is here. This system was working perfectly fine until they decided to somehow get water damage in here, and somehow now the audio is not working. Technically I do not have their password to log in, but we do know that when we go to settings here underneath the Chromebook, we should be able to hear the motion sound for it, but it is not working. So it seems that I'm going to have to take it apart and see if there's any corrosion in there. So let's go ahead and find out. Alright guys, so pretty much I am going to take this laptop apart. They already actually are missing the bottom framing for the, where it has rubber frame that holds these parts from sliding, but that's fine. I'm pretty much going to go ahead and get the tools that I need real quick to get this going. Alright, so here I am. I'm pretty much going to go ahead and start taking off the screws for it. It there. And they actually have a couple more screws that are right here too. Alright, so let's go ahead and take off the rest of the screws that are needed. Alright, let me go ahead and get ready to pretty much take off the back real quick. So it's on there pretty good. I don't see nothing covering on. This back part pops off from right here. You see a metal framing pin. So let's just pop this off. So there's already some corrosion of this. So let's see. So right here you can see there's already water damage that got stuck on there. You can see it dried up from it. And we're technically looking at the board right now. So it doesn't look too crazy bad, but we're not going to find out until we take a look into it. So it does look like they have a little bit of corrosion there, but I'll take a look and find out. Alright, as we do see this, there is power right now, technically still from the battery, so we're going to go ahead and disconnect these. We don't want to have power for this to be in current right now. That would not be a good choice for this. I'm going to go ahead and slowly going to check off the pieces that are connected on here. These are all cables and stuff like that. What we're going to do is to check underneath the actual board, and that's pretty much where I'm assuming where this issue is going to exist. Look, they already do have some corrosion right here too. Look at that. So let's continue looking at. The battery has been removed, and let's take a look underneath. It does look a little bit, doesn't look crazy, but there might have been water damage. You see little lines from the bottom of it. But let's continue taking off the board and see what it is. Any of these cables does need to be removed. They have to. They're needed for this. There it goes. Got most of the stuff off. I'm gonna continue taking off the screws for these. Means that this part needs to come off too. These connections are going to need to be removed. This right here needs to be removed too. This is what holds the display. Oh, this might be a partial of the display, maybe the keyboard or something like that. Alright, this is actually the display. Means we really need to take off this whole thing just for that. That is a little pain. See, if I could just pop this off, we could possibly just pass it off. But this part's holding it underneath, so let's continue taking it off, I guess. To disconnect the cable to allow it to slide up. Oh, look at that. Goodness, it all came off. It's fine. So here is the board. And here is our sign. Alrighty, so this is the board right here from the laptop. And look at that beautiful corrosion right there. Wish I can focus more on it, but that's pretty much the slot right there. Alrighty, so I'm back again. It seems every time I had to get some customers and the issues on here. So as you see that they're not able to hear sound, but you do see that there's an audio jack right here. That means that it's probably integrated together with the components. So this is probably the problem, that it's not going to work. Look, they even have some corrosion right there too. And I wouldn't doubt that this laptop will probably just go out. So I'm going to take a beautiful photo of this and post it, but most likely this would need to be replaced, or if anyone that's specialized to replace these components. In this area where I'm at, I do not have the stuff to do this at all. So most likely it's going to be dead on that audio part. Alrighty, so I'm pretty much going to go ahead and just put it back. It's not even a consideration of trying to repair the heck out of this system at all, because I most likely had a feeling that it was corroded, and that's why the audio would not work for it. Let me go ahead and pop this back in place real quick. So got the stuff back, got the connections back. I'm pretty much slowly gonna go reverse the steps and put everything back in place, and pretty much just gonna let them know that they're pretty much out of luck. So let me go ahead and work on this and come back to it once I get them done. Alright guys, I pretty much got everything back in place. The only thing I need to do left is just putting the battery back on here. So let me go ahead and do this. Good. So Last thing to do is just to plug in the power again. There's going to be current going through, so the fan, the light just turned on. So just to close this up now, it pretty much just pops in place. Nothing too much crazy. And time to just add the screws back on there. And we're going to plug this back in. See if this thing turns back on. And there it is. But most likely there's not going to be no sound because of that again. Touch features up, keyboard's working there, and no sound again because of that issue. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you disliked this video, then hit that button. But if you like it and you want to see more, hit that like button, get subscribed, comment, and tell us what other tech videos you want to see. Consider checking out our merch store, link in the video description. And for the rest, I will see you on the next video.